Well, it looks like they are getting geared up for Halloween. Good morning, good morning. And fall, look how cute this stuff is. I thought that today I would take you guys to Gabe's with me. I haven't been here in a minute because I've been in school so much. So, this is a cute little guy. How much is he? He is $16.99. So anyway, I thought I'd bring you guys along with me to Gabe's because there's a couple of things I'm looking for. I'm looking for some dresses. I'm going to the beach. These are so pretty. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Those are big. Man, I need to tell my daughter about this. $12.99. Anyway, I'm going to the beach and I need some cool dresses to wear. So yeah, let's just see what we can get into. Y'all, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. $10. That's so cute. Y'all, it's that time. I think my favorite season is fall, y'all. I really do. Look at this guy. Hold up, y'all. How cute is he? Gobble, gobble. Okay. I think this is from like Carolina Pottery, maybe? Alright. He's $14.99. He's cute though, but he ain't $14.99 cute, not for me. I do need to get me some more scent bags. I put these in my vehicle under the seats. That one smells really good. Y'all, I wish y'all could smell this. Mercy, that smells good. Okay, y'all, this is rather interesting. And it's like, you know those sweatsuits that you put yourself in so you'll sweat all the time? That's kind of the material of that. Not the type of dress that I'm looking for. Just out of curiosity, how much you are? $8. Well, yeah, I'm not even sure I'd pay $8 for that. Well, they did not have much in the dresses, so the next alternative is to look at the shorts. And I'm really not seeing anything. The terry cloth I feel like would burn me up. But I do love these pants. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my. I do like those. These are $12.99. How cute is that? Well, so far the clothing section is a complete bust, which is very unusual. Because I usually find something. But I'm just not seeing anything right now that is just saying that I've got to purchase it. That's cute. That's cuteness. So let's go over to the luggage, because what I'd like to find is a really big bog type bag. And I know that Belle's in Elizabethton has some. But I think they're Hurley's either way because they make perfect work bags. But I am needing one for the beach. But if I find one, I will also be using it as a work bag because I have 3 laptops to keep up with. And those are just more convenient. But I am not seeing anything like it. That is depressing me. I thought it would maybe be by the bathing suits, but they're not over there either. Well, moving right along from the handbags to find something for my puppy dog. Now she loves things like this. These little crunchy ones. I have to get her stuff that doesn't have stuffing in it because if I get her stuff with stuffing, then I'm vacuuming, and I don't want to do that. I think I might get her the lion. Yeah, stuff like this will not last 2 seconds in my house. Oh, that's a cute little guy. See? Oh, he's got a squeaker in it. Oh, I don't know, maybe she would do something smaller. And I do need to get her some more snacky snacks because she is just about out. If they have some sweet potato, that's what I like to try and get her because that kind of helps with worms and parasites and stuff. So that's what I'm on the hunt for. Okay, y'all, how cute is that? Spaghetti and meatballs. Look how pretty this is. A little glass pumpkin. No, it's $12.99. Is that? Yep, that's the Gabe's price. It's pretty. Very pretty. But, oh, look at this guy. How cute is that? And a little buffalo plaid pumpkin. Okay, y'all. Well, Gabe's was kind of a bust. Overlooked me. I didn't feel like putting makeup on today, so I didn't. So there. This is au natural. Anyway, so I am going to go to Walmart, but I'm tempted. I don't know if Five Below or Ross is open today with it being 4th of July. I don't know, but let me show y'all what I did get in Gabe's. Okay, so I went for the smaller one because she's just going to tear it up. And why would I spend $10 on something that legit she is going to tear up in about 5 minutes? But I love my puppy and I want her to have nice things. So I went with the smaller one and he was only $5.29. And then I went with these little scent packets because they smell so good. Gonna put them under my car seats. And I think these were $5. Yeah, I'm so ready for fall already, y'all. Ready for fall, y'all. And then I got this. It was only $5 and it is fragrance-free, sweat and water resistant, up to 80 minutes. So I got this for the beach. Super excited. I can't wait. Oh, y'all, dare I come into this place on 4th of July? Yes, I do. All right, so we're going to start out in the garden center because I need to get a plant holder and some soil. But y'all, I absolutely adore these. I just cannot keep them alive. Okay, these are really cool. They're like self-watering planters. And I think I'm going to get 2 of these because there are 2 plants that I have that are difficult for me to water. I think I'm going to try these. And now I am trying to figure out what potting soil to get. Protects against over and under watering. Okay. Revitalizes soil with essential plant nutrients. Y'all, I don't do this stuff. So I'm just gonna guess. How cute is this little watering can? It's so cute. It's $2.97. Adorable. They really do have very, very pretty plant pots. So pretty, but y'all, they're expensive. What? Like, oh my goodness. All right, guys, let's see if Walmart has some sundresses. This is pretty. Oh my, look at the little, it's just kind of that crinkle. Oh, that is so pretty. How much are you? do you come in my size? Where is the... There we go. All right. $25. Wasn't really wanting to spend $25, but that's really cute. I may. If I don't see anything else, I may come back and get one of these. Those are kind of cute. A little bit. Those are pretty. Okay, now these are only $8. I wish they were... Hold up. Hold up. That's what I'm looking for. Something like this, only without that. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. All right, so I'm going to get me a couple of these because they're only $7.98. And I'm going to get me probably a couple more pairs of these. Y'all, these are like buttery soft. These are amazing shorts. And I think I've got this color, maybe this color. I know for sure I've got this color. So I'm going to probably get me a pair of the charcoal black ones and maybe some of the coral color. These are super cute. Little pocket dresses. Love them. Okay, I'm going to get a couple of these tank tops for $2.98. Okay, y'all, so what do y'all think about these shorts with this and that tank underneath it? Because of this part, I've got to wear something under that. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, y'all. I love me some rompers. How much are you? They are $16.98. Ooh, I don't know. These are so pretty. I just love them. I need a pair to go with the blue shorts. Okay, y'all, if these were in my size, I would totally go this route. Those are pretty. Okay, I might not be able to get those other shorts, but what I can do is improvise because I just love these two colors together. How pretty is that? Okay, that's what we're going to go with, y'all. These are so cute. That's so short. I'm having a dilemma here. My mind still thinks that I'm 21 because those outfits are cute, but my body tells me, Stephanie, you're 51. Grow up. You can't wear stuff like that. If that wasn't half a shirt, I would get it. It's cute. Okay, y'all, in a weird way, I think these are adorable. Super cute. But these little tiny heels, they either have to be 10-inch heels or no heel, because I will fall in these every time. I'm on the hunt for some flip-flops, and I'm just not finding them. What in the world is this? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, probably not. I think that I found them. Give me just a second. I'm gonna have to come back when the traffic is less congested on that aisle. How cute is that? Now this is tempting. I'm not gonna lie. How much are you? You are... Can't tell how much you are. You're cute though. I think you are $25. Yeah, probably not. I'm super excited. Me and my husband are going to watch this movie tomorrow because it is my all-time favorite movie. When did Barney make a comeback? Huh.